Hey, how's it going? I'm trying to be better about promoting my stuff, and I wanted to share and explain what the hell this is, because I think from the cover alone it's not obvious, because why would it be? But I did this collection because I did over, well, since like, what is it, 2013 to like 2020, I did these kind of like auto-bio comics. And most of them actually in this book, in this sketchbook that I just, so like, this is just full of, these are the originals, um, you know. But anyways, but I wanted to collect them, and there's a few that are from a different place. This is from a different book I had. And they're not in order chronologically, they're just like in order of like kind of themes. So this one's about goals, this one's about plans, stuff like that. There's a weather section, an existential section, trying to do art section. This is me doing very well. Hey, that's when I had short hair. Look at that, short hair. Isn't that weird? More short hair. And then suddenly I have long hair. Anyways, but yeah, this is just a little collection. I didn't do a ton of them, but I got like this is my favorite one. This is probably the best one I did. Let's see, where's the original one? I like this one too. This one also turned out really nice. But yeah, I really like this one. This one, I got some really nice inking in there. I really like the little subtle stuff going on there on the feathers and the hand arms and the just like, I don't know, I think I finally did, like, I got to a point that I actually liked it, and then it was basically time to stop because I liked it. And also I feel like I need to rethink how I'm doing this. If I'm going to do more auto bio stuff, how I'm going to do this in the future. Do I want to stick to the square format or not? But this is actually, see, it says May 2022. That's when the first one actually came out. But this is actually the second printing of it because I sold out of the first one at like cons and whatever, or I just gave them away or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, this one I did on matte paper, so it's all matte, and I kind of like it. I like that it's just kind of like flat. The black sort of like flat stuff. So I know I like it. It's not very big. It's like, I think there's 19 comics total, but you know, they're about me and random little moments in time. Nothing grandiose or super funny necessarily. It's just kind of, you know, autobio comics. They're mostly boring, right? Right? I don't know. If you like them, you should pick it up. It's like $6. It's, you know, I'll throw in stickers and stuff because they always do. But I like it. And it's a little, you know, a little something personal. I don't know.